Hello everyone! This video is all about these free printable puzzles for preschoolers that you can do with your kids at home. But before that, make sure to click subscribe to our channel to get updated of the latest videos we upload every week. Alright, let's get started! This color copy challenge can improve our children's visual and spatial intelligence. This activity looks very easy for adults, yet for children, this would be quite challenging for them as they copy or match the design. Understanding the sounds and words is super important for developing readers and writers. When kids or students understand the words are made up of sounds, they are able to transfer this knowledge to reading and writing. This beginning sound activity will help students learn how to find the beginning sounds in words and build those phonemic awareness skills. Recognizing rhyming words is a basic level of phonemic awareness. Rhyming requires that children listen closely for sounds within words. Children who recognize rhyme learn that words are made up of separate parts. An early goal is to have children listen to a pair of words and decide whether or not the words rhyme. Eventually, the goal is to have children generate words that rhyme.
Do they have the same ending sound?
Yes.
Put them together. And the last picture.
Cut and knot.
Cut, nut. Do they have the same ending sound?
Yes.
Popsicle sticks is one of the most versatile material in a homeschool setup. We can use this doing arts and crafts activities, math or counting activities, and now this popsicle puzzle activity. This helps develop our children's visual and spatial intelligence as they match the design. To foster our child's counting skills, we have this number sequencing puzzle. When a child's number sequencing ability is honed, it can help them develop their number sense and sort and arrange numbers in ascending or descending order easily. This activity promotes fine motor skills. As they connect the pieces together, it helps children practice dexterity and develops problem solving. There is always a sense of achievement at the final result, and kids learn with pride at the end. It's a very positive way to boost self-esteem.
Mana? Yay! Good job!
That's it, everyone. Thanks for watching. Check the description box of this video to know where to get these free printables. See you next time. Bye-bye.